Hello and welcome to B4X. My name is Uziel and I'll show you the steps needed to install B4A and get started. There are 4 components that we need to download: Java 11, OpenJDK 11, Android SDK command line tools, the required resources, and B4A itself. It is important to download these components from B4A page. There are all kinds of different versions, and in order for everything to work properly, it is best to download them from the installation page. I've downloaded the 4 components and now I'm following the installation steps. First one is to unzip the downloaded JDK and put it in this path. So I'm creating a new folder, Java. Now we will unzip the Android SDK command line tools. Creating a new folder. And we also need to unzip the required resources. We put it in the same folder. Next step is to install B4A. Now we need to configure B4A and set 2 paths. Tools, configure paths, and you can find the relevant paths, assuming that you have used the same folders, over here. First one is Java C. This is the Java compiler. Second one is the Android SDK. The additional libraries path should also be set at some point. This folder will be used for libraries that you download from the forum. Don't put it inside program files, as it is a restricted folder. The shared modules field should be left empty. There are 2 ways that we can connect to a real device. One is with B4A bridge and the second one is with USB debug mode. I recommend starting with B4A bridge. It's simplest to install it from Google Play. We need to allow B4A bridge to install other apps. The exact details depend on the Android version. Carefully read the messages. And once done, we are ready to connect the IDE to B4A Bridge under Tools, B4A Bridge. Either enter the IP address, or if it is detected, just select this option. On the first time that B4A Bridge connects to the IDE, it will install the designer, the visual designer. Allow it to install. And now we are ready to run our first program. Click on Open. Well done! You are an Android developer now. The next step is to check the learning resources, the various guides and video tutorials, and of course to join the B4X community. That's all for today.